Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss most important questions for part 1, and we have Rishabh who is going to help us with good answers for part 1 question. So shall we start, Rishabh?
Yes,
Okay, so what is your full name?
my full name is Rishabh Balla.
Okay, Rishabh. So do you like maths?
No, to be honest, I don't like maths at all because when I was child, I used to get low grades in maths. So from this, I have developed this phobia from maths, and usually I don't like to study mathematics.
Okay. Is maths difficult for you to learn?
Yes, for a student like me, I believe that mathematics is difficult, especially algebra part. I find it more difficult as compared to the other. I don't know the exact reason behind this, but I think that maybe from childhood I had this trauma that maths is difficult. So this deep thinking had sit inside my mind, and I believe that mathematics is difficult.
So what trauma did you have in your childhood?
Uh, when I was in grade 5, so it was my mathematics test, and it was generally a basic test of mathematics at that time. But unfortunately, I scored zero in that, which after that I felt very ashamed and thought that mathematics is not cup of tea for me, and I should not study mathematics in higher studies. So due to this, I have this trauma that mathematics is tough.
Okay. At what age did you start learning about mathematics?
When I was a child, like in nursery class, so there I started mathematics, basic counting, and after then the level keep on increasing with the passage of time and with upgradation of classes.
Okay. What let's talk about celebrities. So what kind of celebrities are there in your country?
Well, I believe variety of celebrities are there. Like some are Bollywood film stars, some are content creators, YouTube content creators, and other are Instagram personalities. And especially talking about YouTube creators, I love them a lot, and I used to watch their videos as I believe that YouTube creators are far much more better as compared to the Bollywood celebrities because YouTube creators just present the content in a good way and it provides the knowledge to students like me.
Okay, so your answer is fine, but I just asked what type of celebrities are there. I didn't ask you to compare those celebrities with each
Okay,
other. Okay.
okay.
What is the difference between famous people of today and those in the past?
Famous people.
Of today and compared to the famous people of the past?
I believe there is a huge difference nowadays seen in the famous people. I believe the people who are now famous they have more opportunities as compared to those who were earlier. As in traditional times, only film stars as well as sports personalities were famous. But with the passage and advancements in technology, I believe various simple ordinary men can also become famous by producing content on YouTube or Instagram or by doing anything. And I believe he or she has more opportunities as with the advancements in brands also they can get more brand endorsements as well as more promotions as compared to the earlier ones.
Okay, you can add people of today who are famous. They have fan following all over the globe. Earlier, this was not the case. There was
Yes.
no social media to interact with the fans, but now this is the case. You can add these lines also. Okay. Do you think that famous people are necessarily good in their fields?
No, I don't believe. But although I know that there is a misconception among people that they think that famous personalities are good at their field, but I generally believe that some are famous because of their luck also, that they got opportunity more earlier than the other ones. So because of that, they are famous. But yeah, although they are good also, I'm not saying that they are totally bad. But minority of them are, I believe, just they are there because of their luck.
Okay. Do you think media pays too much attention to celebrities?
Yes, I generally believe that nowadays media personalities are bombarded with the celebrities. They used to, I believe, interact with majority of celebrities, and they used to indulge in their private lives also. They just want to capture everything about that celebrity, which I believe it's not good for the celebrity as
Yeah,
well
but
as
why media does that?
because they want to show the lives of personality to their real audience, and I believe that they want to introspect the personalities as well as there might be some another reasons also which I don't know.
The other reason is that because people are interested in the lives of the celebrities. So that is why to cater the needs, media has to show what their celebrities are doing because people are interested in it, general public.
Oh, okay.
Are celebrities an inspiration to the younger generation?
Not all, but yeah, definitely a portion of them are very inspirational to the younger audience, and they inspire the younger audience to do or achieve some milestones in their life. Especially talking about me, I love the YouTube creators like Sonu Sharma, Dr. Vivek Bindra. They are some of the motivational speakers whom I love to watch, and they inspire me a lot to do something very big in life, as they have also achieved very huge milestones in their life, and I also get inspiration from them whenever I feel demotivated in life.
Why do people follow celebrities?
Maybe because they love them a lot, and also because of their work, what they are doing, that people inspire from them, and they also feel a sense of motivation to do something very big in their life, and because they provide some or add some value to the lives of the audience. So because of these reasons, I generally believe that people have to watch their celebrities.
Okay, thank you so much for answering these questions. Thank you.